In this video, I'm going to cover how to make it super easy for your advocate to refer their friends by email without having to remember their friends' email addresses. So we are going to do that using a service that Gather integrates with called CloudSponge. So I'm here in the preferences section of a refer a friend campaign. And as you can see here, we have the option in the referral mode where the invitation email from your advocate to their friend is sent through Gather, as opposed to the email being sent from the advocate's native email application. So as just to recap from one of our other videos, there are two ways to invite a friend. One where the app opens the advocate's native email system, and then the other is where the email is sent directly through the Gather system to the advocate's friend. And this is somewhat advantageous because the advocate simply has to put the email addresses in, add a personal message, and then press send. It's also a better tracked alternative as well. Obviously, with email invitations, the ask for your advocate to remember their friends' email addresses, especially when they are when it's preferred for them to send multiple invitations to multiple friends, it becomes it becomes too much of an ask to have to remember all your friends' email addresses, and so that becomes a difficult action to take. So to solve this problem of having to remember email addresses, we've partnered with CloudSponge. And CloudSponge is used by many popular referral programs. So let's have a look at how the implementation looks like. First off, in the importing contacts section here, what I've done is I've chosen CloudSponge as a contacts importer. And then here at the bottom, I then add my CloudSponge key. So once you have an account with CloudSponge, you are given a key which you can add to Gather. And then that's it. That's how you would integrate both. So let's jump into the referral program here. So I'm in the AMA newsletter publication. And what we've done here is we're launching the referral program, which is a side overlay on the site. And I'm going to choose to refer my friends with email. And then with option here, as you can see, the friends contacts button has loaded. So then I can add my friends' emails here. I can add multiple emails if I wish, and obviously add a personal message. But obviously, if I wanted to make things a lot easier for myself, then all I would have to do is click on the contacts importer. This will load the CloudSponge contacts picker. So in my case, I will pick contacts from my Google account. And this will load my Google account where I will choose one of my email addresses. And then with that, CloudSponge goes to work. And then voila, it picks all my contacts where I can choose the contacts, or I can search for contacts, and it auto completes. And I just pick them, click next, and then with that they're all pasted here into Gather, where I can just add a personal message and then send the invitation. And so each of those email addresses, each of those friends will receive an invitation. And it's all done within a few clicks, which makes it far easier to send my invitations with a few clicks. Okay, so this is the CloudSponge and Gather integration enabled for you with a few clicks. You select the CloudSponge service, add your key, and then there you have it. You're all set up, ready to go.